Hi group, we're back and I hope you were able to watch the video that talked about how to access the academic journals from our databases. If not, go ahead and look at that video. We are now, and if you notice I changed rooms, I'm now in our green screen room. Anyway, all that to say, we are going to then cite our articles once we find them. And we use Noodle Tools. If you decide to use EasyBib, that's totally fine. I just like Noodle Tools because we can easily import into it and export as a Google Doc. So I'm going to go through all of that. Anytime you need help, we have these little Ask Us buttons on the right side of our page. Click on it, type your name, put in your question, and it actually goes to myself and Ms. Grimaldi immediately, and then we can answer you back. So we are here to help you. I don't want you to feel weird about asking us for help on the little chat feature. So here, let's dive in. Let's open up Noodle Tools first off. Now, when you click on the Noodle Tools link, you'll go over to the right and hit login. If you are new to WES, then I do need you to reach out to me because I will get you set up with Noodle Tools. If you are a student at another school and you don't have Noodle Tools but want to use it, reach out to me as well. And if you're having any trouble logging in, the personal ID is typically your email address. The password is typically, and by email address, I mean Blue Valley email address. Your password is typically your student ID. That is usually what happens. Ignore mine because I created a long time ago. So here we go. Once we're in Noodle Tools, we're going to set up a new project. So click over here on the left for new project. We're going to name it. You name it. I'm going to put stressors. Then here's one thing that's different. We're using APA for this assignment. In most of your ELA classes, you'll use MLA, but this is different. You're using APA. Keep the citation level at advanced, and then you are in. Now, Noodle Tools does a bazillion things and it's amazing, but we only need to focus on sources. So if you choose to use note cards, that's up to you, or the paper, but all we need to focus on for this is sources. Don't worry about filling out this dashboard. So over here, I'm clicking on sources. This is my focus. Then I'm going to go to Academic Search Premier, and I found my article and I want to cite it. I want to show you this amazing shortcut. Over here on the right, you're going to see a cite button. So when I click on that, it brings up a bunch of different stuff that really doesn't help me. But what I do need is this button here, this yellow button that says export to a bibliographic management software. We want to click on that. And then the very last option says direct export to Noodle Tools. That's what you want. See that right there? You're going to hit save, and then it brings up a window with this citation in APA format with the project down here. Since you're logged in and you already have your project open, it typically will open to this project. If not, you'll click on that to choose the one you need. Then click Import References. And then it's in there. This window is a new window, so you can hit the X to get out of it. And then the next article, if it's in Academic Search Premier, you'll look for the Cite button. Now I'm showing you also Surge Researcher with ProQuest. It does the same thing. So great. I love it. So where it says use this document, click Cite. When you do that, you'll want to change your style to APA. Then from here, click Noodle Tools. When you click Noodle Tools, again, here is your citation in APA format, the project, import references, and you're good to go. All right, we're almost done here. So what we need to do is go back to Noodle Tools to the Sources tab and refresh the page. And we should see the citations that I just entered. There we go. We see two of them right here. Let's pretend I have all the citations I need. It's ready to go. We can then export it. And what is so amazing about Noodle Tools, when I export to Google Docs, and I have to choose usually there we go, I have to sign in with my Google Doc. And it takes a couple seconds. All right, once I'm in, it creates a new Google Doc for me. It puts the correct title. It even gives the page number, and it's in alphabetical order in APA format. So then you can take this and add this to the end of your paper. And that's all you need. So if you have any trouble with any of the things that I've gone over, or you're struggling to find the information you need, please, please, please reach out to myself and Ms. Grimaldi using the Ask Us button. I also want to point out the citing sources information I put as well. Oh, it's not coming up because of the filter, but pretend there's videos right here. Oh, there they go. These videos show you how to grab the citation. So if you just want something real quick, it's right there for you. Again, please let us know how we can help you, and good luck.